Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. I hope everyone is well and that you had a nice weekend. So, a lot of folks out there, it may be an extended weekend. It's October 13th, which is Columbus Day / Indigenous People Day. So, if you're one of those that are getting that extended weekend, I hope you're enjoying the day off. I'm Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Troth Realtors, right here in Lancaster, California, bringing you this week's version of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Update. Where week in and week out, we take a look at exactly what the trends are in our local real estate market. As I like to point out every week, I feel it's important for property owners, residents, potential buyers, sellers here in our valley to have a trusted local resource to go to follow along with exactly what's going on in our real estate market. So before we get into this week's statistics, I'd also like to point out that they are courtesy of the Greater Antelope Valley Association of Realtors MLS system. So where do we start the week of October 13th? A lot of down signs there right now. So let's active listings down less than 1%. Last week, 1,119, down 3 to 1,116. Pendings, those properties under contract in escrow, still hanging above 400, but about the fourth week in a row that we've seen declines. So it'd be nice to see that number bump up. Starting to hear some talk about maybe another interest rate at the Fed level this upcoming October. That would be nice because perhaps that could assist us in seeing a little bit more downward pressure on mortgage rates. Not always, but we can always hope. New listings on the market for the week of October 6th through the 12th. New listings down 3.3% to 88, down from 91 the week prior. And the median list price was 485 the week of the 6th through the 12th, 480, so down 1%. A pretty good drop, as I was mentioning, about those properties that went under contract into escrow, down 20.5% to 62. They were 78 the week prior, and that median number of days on the market, those 62 properties, crept up one day from 45 to 46. So definitely seeing properties continue to stay on the market a little bit longer than what they had been. I mean, 46 days is not a horrible number, but people had gotten used over the last 3 or 4 years to seeing, that being somewhere in the 20s. So definitely a change. Listings that closed escrow last week down 17.2% to 48 from the week prior when they were at 58. And the only up number for this week that we're reporting is median sales price of those 48 bumped $5,000 to 480. So as we continue to head into the third quarter and the fall market and then soon into the winter market, it's going to be interesting to follow along to see what buyers and sellers moods are out there. There are some buyers that are out there looking around. They don't seem to be in a lot of hurry unless that perfect property comes on the market that's in good condition, good price, and then they'll make that decision. But for right now, we're just kind of seeing, I don't want to use the word stagnation, but just not a great deal of motivation to be in a hurry. And so we'll continue perhaps to see sellers looking at that as a sign to perhaps wait till after the first of the year to do something, and buyers continue to wait until that just perfect property comes along for them. So with that, we'll go ahead and call it a wrap for this week's version of the Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Update. But as always, if there's any other information, statistics that myself or any of our other trusted associates here at Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Troth Realtors can provide you, by all means, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're always here for you, as we have been since 1957. All right, everybody, take care. Make it a good week. If you're off today, enjoy the balance of the day, and we'll look forward to chatting with you next Monday. All right, everyone. Bye bye.